Welcome to my Chinese restaurant series. Today we're making classic Pao Chicken. Start by dicing the chicken into bite-sized cubes. Marinate with salt, white pepper, soy sauce, Chinese cooking wine, 1 egg white, and cornstarch. This is called velveting. So you have to massage non-stop until the meat feels velvety. While the chicken marinate, slice garlic, chop scallions, slice ginger, and cut dried chilies. Sauce. Mix sugar, Chinese black vinegar, light and dark soy sauce, salt, white pepper, cornstarch, and water. Mix together. Shallow fry the chicken until golden brown. Remove it. Sauté the aromatics until fragrant. Add the chicken back in. Pour in the sauce and stir quickly to coat everything evenly. But for serving, add toasted peanuts. Wow! Follow for more. Enjoy!